29 March around 6 o'clock. The typhoon hasn't really hit Isabela. It's good and bad. It's good that there's no storm and things. Kinda bad there's no rain. But oh well. That's how it goes. So it's now moving northeast. So this is a bognai. And it started to fruit April. Now it's May, end of May. So it takes a while for the bugnite to ripen to violet purplish thing. It's heavy. It's bowing the branch. First time I've seen this. How healthy it is. It's mainly because I've decided to water it a lot. So it's a lot of water. Plants needs lots of water. So I've been noticing the pressure again is diminishing slowly. And so even at around between 40 and 50 psi, it should be fairly strong. So look like it needs to be cleaned. Seems like it needs to be cleaned every 2 weeks, not every month. So that's the period. Once every 2 weeks. That's how it goes. So I've removed it from the housing. It's really, that's a lot of rust. Yeah, that's the reason why it's diminishing. With the coating the carbon filter, it really diminished the water pressure coming into the house. There's pressure in the tank, but because of the restriction made by the rust, that's very thick. That's like, it just coats, and so now it restricts the water going into the house. So I'm just gonna clean it. So this thing is caked with rust. So that's a lot of rust. Actually, rust and fine silt. Gotta improve the system. I've also decided to clean these two filters. These are pleated or accordion type filter. So they are washable. Well, anything is washable if you want it to be washable. So I had it doubled in series because this thing really will be full of stuff, and I wanted to really remove a lot of the sediment before it enters into the tank. Quite frankly, I really need to add a carbon filter here. There is another type of filter that can be used, but that will clog faster than really faster. It will clog with rust and silt, and I decided that it's too much hassle to add that filter. So pleated and then carbon, and to me it's sufficient. It's a compromise. So I removed the first filter and then brought it over here. As one can see, it's really dirty, but this is washable. So it's dirty water. I'm just gonna wash it. Okay, it's all done. The free filter doesn't need to be cleaned as often as the carbon filter. So I think I can get away with cleaning these filter once every 6 months.